Hello everyone, finally Hamster Kombat season 1 has ended, and I want to say big congratulations to those who participated and those who were not disqualified, because a lot of people were disqualified. The cheating card was enabled. They actually made it, they achieved it, they won it. They were disqualified. They were told that cheating is bad, that they cheated this season and blah 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 and all that. So I'm here to make this video. Please, you might want to watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part, because you're going to learn how the interlude season works. Now, according to Hamster Kombat, the interlude season is not yet the season 2. Okay, it's not yet the season 2 of Hamster Kombat, but I'm going to show you how the interlude season works step by step. Now you can look at this information. The game does not end. Before I continue, I would like to tell you that you should also take the season 2 of Hamster Kombat serious. Now, those of you who did not coin, you can bear me witness that the people who did that project, they are still enjoying the benefits up till date, and probably for a lifetime they're going to be enjoying it, especially those who attained the gold and platinum level. Those are the two last levels. They give them preferential treatment, they give them giveaways and all that. They give them special attention. So you might want to take the season 2 of Hamster Kombat very, very serious, and this interlude season is what will give you a better standing. Look at what it says here. Okay, we are now entering the interlude season of Hamster Kombat. The interlude season is the warm-up before season 2, and it will last a couple of weeks, right? The interlude will last a couple of weeks before we get into the season 2. Participating in the interlude, here is the key point, and farming diamonds will give you an advantage that will come in handy in the upcoming season. More diamonds, more benefits. So now let's go over to Hamster Kombat. Let's log into Hamster Kombat right away, and then let's see how we can tell you or show you how it really works. All right, over here you can see season 1 is over, and when you open it, you are going to see something like this. I've actually opened mine, and it has shown me a lot of things to welcome me into the season. But in case you can't find those things, or you did not read them very well, you just click on memories. Okay, I've started showing you how it works. So you click on memories, and then you see those things. Now they've given about 18 cards that they deem fit to be the best cards. Then when you click next, you're going to see I was actually on Hamster Kombat for 139 days. Okay, that's great. Then number of cards I upgraded is this is the number of cards I upgraded, and then coins I earned, and of course all that. And then it says play interlude season. So, and when you click on that, that's where you're going to come to this place. Now I'm going to show you how it works. This is where you're going to listen very well. The puzzle game is still there, upgrading cards is still there, these games are still there. Now in this interlude, you are going to be earning diamonds. Okay, and where we are going to start is by going to the end. When you go to the end, because what you'll be using to upgrade, this season 1, you are using your coin balance to upgrade cards, but in this season 2, you're going to be using diamond to upgrade cards, and I'm going to show you where the cards are right in this video. So we click on the end, and watching of YouTube video is still there, but instead of earning coins, you are earning diamonds. So I've actually watched this video, and if I click here, I'm going to check, and I'll earn 1 additional diamond. Okay, now you can see the balance has become 3. So go back to the end, and of course, if you are following them on Facebook, you will check and earn 1. If you are following them on Instagram, you click and check. Let me click and check, because I'm following them. Now I will click and check, and of course obtain my 1 diamond. All right, so that's it. You do it one after the other, and then for referrals, I'm not going to do all, but I'm just going to show you so that I'll go over to another thing. For referrals, depending on the number of people you referred, if you referred from 3 people, you will receive 3 diamond if you check. Then if you refer up to 7 people, I think I referred above 10 people, right? This is if you invited 10 people and above, you receive 12 diamonds. And if I check my friends, I have enough friends. I have more than enough friends. I think they are still working on the system, right? Are still working on the system. So let's just continue with the video. Now if I click on the social, let me click on the social media to get more diamond, because I'll be using it to show you something when we get to the card upgrade session. So X, I'm following them on X. I'll get my diamond. And let me just try these invitees. Let me check, because okay, it's checking. I've collected 7. Then for 3 I've collected 3. And then for 12, for 10 referrals, I've invited more than 10 referrals. I've collected, I think I've not invited up to 35, so I'm going to stop there because it won't give me. I've not invited up to 25 people. So let's see how many that I have. You can see I now have 25 diamonds, right? So how do you go about other things? Now, to get more of these diamonds that you can be using to upgrade cards to increase your profit per hour, you earn just the same way as it is in season 1. You earn diamonds, a particular amount or number of diamonds per hour as you upgrade the cards. And how do you get more of the diamonds? By playing this playground game. Now if you go to playground, you still have those games there. If you look up, you are going to see these are games. You have 3 tabs here now: games, mini games, and mine cards. So over here, these are the games, and I believe they'll be adding more games as well. You get the point. So you play the games and then you get more diamonds. You have 4 chances per day per game. So that's it. Then when you click over here, the mini games, you are still going to see this, okay, this puzzle, and then this hexa puzzle to accumulate more diamonds. So then sorry about that. Then for the cards, okay, how to upgrade your cards, it's pretty simple. So from the home page, you should still go to that playground, and then you're going to see, look at the tabs up there, you're going to see mine cards, okay, mine cards. So over here we have my cards, new cards, and missed opportunities, just the same way we had in the season 1. Currently we have, as at the time I'm recording this video this night, we have 5 cards here. So you can see the price tag on the cards. This first one, year strategy, is free. Then this dev culture, the cost is one diamond. Then this one, startup acquisition, 2 diamonds and all that. Now if you have not acquired any diamond, right, just like me, I have, unlike me now that I have 29, if you have not acquired any diamond, I think these ones will be locked for you, except this one that is free. So it will require you to acquire diamond. And look at the profit per hour. This one is going to be giving you 0.05 diamond per hour. This one will be giving you 0.1. This one will be giving you 0.05, right? That why this one that is free will be giving you 0.05. So I'm going to upgrade all now so that you see them. I'll upgrade them at least to level 1. All of them are on level 0 now, so I'm going to be upgrading them one by one. This one costs me nothing. Then anyone you upgrade will come to your cards. Then you go back to new cards. We don't have missed opportunity because everything is new. So new card, you can see I now have 4 here. So I'm just going to upgrade all of them to at least level 1 each. Okay, level 1 each, and then we'll continue with the video. And with that, I would have spent close to 5 diamonds. Okay, close to more than 5 diamonds. The network, the platform is still glitching. Okay, but that is, I believe you've understood it, how it works. um yes. So when the glitches is over, I will continue. But you can see that I am now mining. Is the countdown period is very very long, 6 hours per card, 6 hours. But take note that they said that this is, you can see this is my profit per hour, and I'll be earning 0.15 diamond per hour. So when the system is free, I can upgrade to as many level as I want, provided I have the diamond to take care of the cost. So that is just how it works. Okay, if you click on any of these games, you can play them and obtain codes that you come and activate. Okay, just the same way we do for those videos. Anyone you play, you come and paste the code you are going to obtain here, and then redeem it to obtain 1 diamond per code. So that's how it works, guys. Remember that I said those who did not coin and attained the in fact different level, but especially the last 2 levels, they are still benefiting from it up to today, and probably that's going to last for a lifetime. You don't want to joke with it. And what we can see is that Hamster has actually turned fully into a Web3 gaming platform from what I'm seeing. But let's wait till get into the season 2 proper, and then we'll see what he has for us. And most importantly, let's see how the utility of the Hamster token is going to be, and of course the entire platform generally, because utility is the key. When a token, a cryptocurrency has utility, utility means what that token can be used for. For instance, Ethereum and some others that can be used to make payments, right? Even Pi that can be used to make payment and buy things. Those are utilities, just in a layman language. So let's see how it's going to be, but take it serious. And especially if it performs well at launching, then we are good to go. So many thanks for watching this video. By the way, if you have not joined us on Telegram, you are missing a lot, because there are lots of information we drop there that you might not have a kind of first-hand access to. But then, thanks for watching. Do well to also come by every time, watch our video, like, comment, leave your questions. I've answered countless questions, I've attended to a lot of people, and more questions are still coming. Please, you still have the chance to connect your wallet till 9 a.m on 29 a.m Nigerian time, and then 8 a.m UTC time, 21st of September. After that, you everything will be, you can see, if you go to the airdrop session, you're going to see that they say off-chain deposit opportunity will be disabled September, this blah 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 blah. So that's it. You still have the opportunity to do that now, and you are good to go. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.